Goedemorgen, ich bin dan de Prof von Luxembourgish with Anne. And here is your weekly lesson. In this lesson, you will learn to tell the time in Luxembourgish. Telling time in Luxembourgish requires three basic ingredients. First, the numbers from 1 to 59, then the words for to and after, and the fractions quarter and half past. Bist du bereit für die Lektion? Are you ready for the lesson? Dann los! Now, if you want to ask someone what time is it, you would say in Luxembourgish, "Hoeveel uur is it?" Now listen and repeat after me for the correct pronunciation. Hoeveel uur is it? Now literally, hoeveel means how much or how many, and hour means time or clock. Now if you want to ask more politely, you would say, "Entschuldigt, hoeveel uur is it?" Let's repeat. Entschuldigt, hoeveel uur is it? Or you can say, hoeveel uur is it wanneer ik geliefd? Hoeveel uur is het wanneer ik geliefd? Now you may hear as well some people say, hoe spät is het? So literally, how late is it? Hoe spät is het? And a possible answer to that question could be, het is 3 uur. And in natural spoken Luxembourgish, das 3 uur. Das 3 uur. Okay? Let's move on. To say it's 10 minutes past 7 is in Luxembourgish, het is 10 op 7. Now literally this would be it's 10 past 7. It's the same as in English. You start with the minutes, so here in our case 10, and then you add op. This is a past. Okay, so 10 op, and then you say the time 10 op 7. Het is 10 op 7. Okay? And now if you want to say it's a quarter past 6, for example, you say het is 4 op 6. Het is 4 op 6. Now, 4 means quarter, and to say quarter past, you say 4 op, and quarter to is 4 4. Okay, so 4 op or 4 4. Let's make a small exercise. Can you tell me the time? So, hoeveel uur is het? Hopefully you've got het is 4 4 7. Het is 4 4 7. Now to say that it is 7:30 is in Luxembourg a little bit different. Now the word for half past is in Luxembourgish halve, so pronounce it halve. But we say it is half to the next hour. So for example, if you want to say it is 7:30, you would say, hopefully you've got, het is 7:30. Het is 7:30. Now don't say het is 7:30 hour. Now in Luxembourgish we only say hour when it is the full time. So for example, if you want to say it is 6 o'clock, you would say in Luxembourgish, het is 6 uur. But to say it is a quarter past 6, you would say, yes, het is 4 op 6. Or to say it is a quarter to 7 is, het is 4 4 7. So you don't use the hour additionally. Okay, great. Let's now look at the tricky grammar point when saying the time in Luxembourgish. You may know that the numbers 1 is 1 and 2 is 2. but that these two numbers change their form when they are followed by a noun. Now, the form they take depends on the gender of the noun that follows. Let's take, for example, if you want to say a boy, this is in Luxembourgish, jong. Jong. So, jong is a masculine noun. But if you want to say a daughter, for example, one daughter, you would say eng dochter, because dochter is a feminine noun. And now to say two boys, this is zwei Jungen, and two daughters is zwei Dursteren. So you have to say zwei Dursteren because Durster is feminine. Now, knowing that our is a feminine noun, you have to say for 1 o'clock, eng hour. So say eng hour. And for 2 o'clock, of course, 2 hour. 2 hour. And how would you say it is 1:30 in Luxembourgish? Hopefully you've got het is 1:30. So remember to say het is 1:30. Okay? Great. Now here are some hints to understand natural spoken Luxembourgish when saying the time. Now these two words, feirel op, are pronounced in spoken Luxembourgish as if it was only one word. So you will not hear feirel op, but feirel op. Now listen and repeat after me. Feirel op. So to say it is 8:15, you would hear feirel op 8. Das feirel op 8. And now another detail. It is literally in written Luxembourgish het as. But in spoken Luxembourgish we never say het as. We say das. Das. So to say it is 6 o'clock, we say das 6 Uhr. Das 6 Uhr. Great. Let's finish this lesson by learning how to ask someone at what time. So at what time is in Luxembourgish wieviel Uhr. Wieviel Uhr. For example, at what time is lunch break is wieviel Uhr is Mittagspause. Wieviel Uhr is Mittagspause. And the possible answer could be 12 Uhr, at 12 o'clock. So is at 12 Uhr. Great. Now I hope that this lesson was helpful, and this lesson is an extract of one lesson of my online course Easy Luxembourgish Level 1. Now, in the lesson of the online course, you will learn additional vocabulary, for example, how to say from until, okay? And you will learn useful sentences when telling the time. And with each lesson, you get as well a whole list of vocabulary with the translation in English. Now, if you want to learn Luxembourgish from scratch, then you may visit my online school luxembourgishwithanne.com/teachable, where you can find the online courses Easy Luxembourgish Level 1 and Easy Luxembourgish Level 2. I have put a link under this video. And don't forget that you can read the full transcript of this lesson on my blog luxembourgishwithanne.lu/blog. Merci für Tonogucken. Thank you for watching. Adi.